Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this clipper and trimmer set. I didn't need a clipper and a trimmer, so this is perfect. It comes in a really nice box, so this will be the perfect gift to give to someone. I'm going to show you guys what is on the inside of the box. So the moment you open it up, the first thing that you get is the user manual. It'll tell you about all the attachments and how to work the trimmer and the clipper. This is the clipper itself. It comes with a safety guard. And then this is the trimmer right here. It also comes with the safety guard. These are the attachments for the trimmer right here. The first one is 4mm. It says it right on the guard right there. This one is 1mm. This one is 3mm. And then this one is 2mm. And then these are all the guards for the clipper itself. It also says the millimeter right here on the guard. So this one is 1.5. This one is 3mm. This one's 4.5mm. This one is 10mm. This one is 6mm. And then this last one is 13mm. It also comes with oil right here for the clippers. And then it comes with 2 brushes, so you could clean out all the hair out of the trimmer and the clipper. And then it comes with the USB-C charger right here. Both of these are USB-C to charge, which is very nice. I don't need multiple chargers. And I'm going to show you guys how they work. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the trimmer. I'm going to take off the safety guard. I'm going to turn it off. And then it shows you how much percent is left. So it has 93%. And if you need oil, it will tell you right here on the bottom. That's how you turn it off. Same thing with the clipper right here. Turn it on. It says how much power is left, and it's going to tell you if you need oil. Both of these are super lightweight. They have a nice grip, so you could get a nice firm grip. And on the clipper, you could also change it from right here, so you could get the precise length that you want. So that is perfect. It is very easy to put on the guards. All you got to do is just slide it on. Then you should hear a click. Set it on. There we go. You could hear it click, and then you could use it with the guard. Take off the guard like that. Overall, if you want a set that has a clipper and a trimmer, I recommend this one.